This 4-door, 5-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.